Good morning, students. Today we will see chapter number 7 of 10th standard coordinate geometry. So we'll see first basic of coordinate geometry and then we'll see some special points. So here we are. Now Cartesian coordinate or Cartesian plane or xy plane are one and the same. This is known as what? Cartesian plane, okay, or Cartesian coordinate or xy plane, because it was founded by Rene Descartes when he was dreaming. You have studied in 9th standard. Okay, now this is what x-axis, this is what y, we'll say this is y dash, this is what x dash. Now it is used to find or locate a location of any point in a plane, okay, or if you take this square or triangle and I want to locate these points A, B, C, D, with the help of Cartesian coordinate we can locate with respect to one another. Okay, you need to just name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and from here 1, 2, 3. So B, where it is 2, x is what 2 and y is what 3. Okay, so it is B is how much? 2 comma 3. Like that C. Okay, 6 and it is how much? 3. 6 comma 3. So I think you got why we are using xy plane. Now the most important one, we are saying this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, third and fourth, because it is looking like a quadrant. Yes, and this first quadrant x and y both are positive. In second quadrant x is negative, y is positive. Third quadrant both are negative. Fourth quadrant x is positive, y is negative. Okay, and intersection of both x and y is said to be what? Origin. Now x is also known as abscissa and y is known as what? Ordinate. These were the name. Okay, now the point on x-axis or on y-axis, it is not in any quadrant. If I say if a point A is there, A is 5, 0, in which quadrant A 5, 0 lies? It doesn't lie on any quadrant, it just lies on the axis. So this is very important. And any point, if it is on x-axis, so it will be in the form of x, 0. For example, if it is here B is a point, so it will be x, 0. What is x? -4. Okay, 0. It is very important. Okay, it will help us to solve the questions. Then if it is only on y-axis, okay, you can say what? 0, y. If it is 5, so you will write 0, 5. If it is unknown, you will take y, and on x-axis it is unknown, so x, 0 you will take. Suppose a line cut an x-axis, so x, 0 you have to consider where it is cutting. I think you got all this. Now, important one, the distance of a point from the y-axis is called what? X-coordinate. So we are dealing with the distance. So we will see what is this distance. If I take a point here, point R, it is, suppose point R is there, phi, x is phi and y is 2. Okay, now I want the distance of this point from x-axis. Distance of this point from x-axis will be how much? This distance, yes, perpendicular distance. How much it is? I can draw like this also. How much it is? 2. So that distance is 2. Distance of a point R from x-axis is how much? 2. That is its y coordinate. And distance of point R from y-axis, okay, it will be how much? Phi. It is very important and it will help us to understand the distance formula. Okay, one question we will take. A point is there here, we will say it is 4, 3. Point P is there. So can you solve this? Yes, you can solve. We will say distance of point P from x-axis will be its y coordinate. How much? It will be 3. Then distance of point P from y-axis will be its x coordinate. How much? 4. So this only we are going to use in distance formula to prove it, and also Pythagoras theorem. So in next video we will see distance formula, how it is derived.